You have this in Canada?
We have mountains, but no caves.
No.
No caves. No.
But also like green mountains like this?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We live in Vancouver, the west coast. There's a lot more mountains. That still has caves too.
Yeah. No one
Different than them, or? Oh yeah. We came from Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah? How was it?
It's good. I've been here 2 years ago. Yeah. But it's my first time.
So we did Ho Chi Minh, we did Quy Nhon in between, which is kind of like a coastal city. Da Nang, Hoi An, now Ninh Binh, and then we're finishing at Hanoi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we go up there.
Yeah, we're going south. We haven't booked it.
Oh,
We
okay.
only booked a transport to
Sapa.
sleeping bus. Actually, I think it's half in between Hoi An and other city because the tour will be too long.
Yeah, it was. We came back here from Hoi An. Oh, sorry. We came. Oh. Oh wow.
Ho Chi Minh to.
Oh yeah, we took a flight to
Da Nang.
Yeah, I think we will fly that.
You fly that, yeah.
Otherwise, you have to
Yeah, probably long bus ride. Whole family.
Mình đi có 4 tuần nhiều thôi, có tanh.
Oh, this is good. It's beter dan die breathtaking, dat was ik wel. How was the weather in Ho Chi Minh?
Ho Chi Minh was really nice. Hoi An was raining when we went this week. Was it yesterday? 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Yeah. But further south you go, the more sunnier it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For now it was quite cold. In Hanoi, like it was more warm.
Ho Chi Minh would be like high 20s.
Yeah. Do you have any recommendations for accommodation in Hoi An?
We actually stayed in Da Nang. Yeah, and made a day trip out to Hoi An. Da Nang. It's like right along the beach. Lots of resorts. There's a lot of hotels. Really nice, really clean. We stayed at Nangada. Beach Hut. Yeah.
Actually the same as Halong. We went to Halong Bay, but we stayed there for one night.